All right, Adrian, very exciting new product on the Binos. Very exciting wherein we carried this last fall, had incredible results with, including Kevin shooting the second biggest moose ever in Canada, the Rough, and maybe the biggest moose in Newfoundland last year, because they have all the things that Steiner Binos are known for, all that famous, awesome stuff, but it's the Predator LRF long rangefinder, meaning that button right there is a rangefinder.
Yeah.
Tell us how you came to that and what that does for us.
So first of all, congratulations to your brother for this trophy. I would not say it was because of the Bino, but it helped most likely to achieve it. So this Predator LRF is something unique as well because it's slick, it's slim, it has no bobs, nothing. The battery is included into the bridge, and it has, of course, a laser measuring device which is very accurate, easy out to 2,000 meters. If the object is big enough, it still can even go further. Then you have several modes inside, like the inclination and declination mode, where you have the angle.
Right.
Down,
elevation.
The elevation. Then you have the rain mode, brush mode. Then you have the enhanced mode. So you have many different options to make that hunting experience even more successful.
We've always carried rangefinders. We live by a rangefinder because we want to be as fair to the animals as possible and be as accurate. So for that hunt for Kevin to drop a rangefinder, not have to find it in a pocket, not have it strapped to the side of our Bino straps, and just have a one push button, amazing. For my hunts, I know it changed the game because I was able to sit there and scan my area like I was always doing, but now I'm able to range as I go, as I'm looking, and I knew all my points of where that moose could come out or that whitetail. So I love it. We were so excited to carry it last fall. Thank you. This to me is a huge game changer, and I think hunters that look into this product will be wanting it very quickly.
And just a side note, because it's a LRF, so it's a lot of electronics inside, but we still made it as rugged as all our products are.
And still pass through all the testing for rain and
100%. So it's water pressure proof, so it's rain proof, it's super rugged, so it's basically meeting all our requirements, which we set up to all our products.
And like all the Steiner products, has a heritage warranty, meaning my kids can be using this product.
Yes, absolutely.
Amazing. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey folks, hope you enjoyed this video. For more great videos and content, please subscribe to our page and let us know in the comments what you'd like to see. And to follow our amazing adventures around Canada, please join us on Facebook and Instagram.